So I just got the dreaded pop-up with the frowning face icon. It's warning me that the filament's stuck in the AMS. Luckily, it's a super easy fix, so I'll walk you through the steps. Let's drop in. Hey, it's LD. We're going to walk through step by step how to fix broken filament in your AMS. So step one is to identify which filament's broken. I could tell right away it's the first one in mine because I can see that it's broken off, but the AMS will actually tell you with a red blinking light. Step two, you want to turn the machine off on the back and then unplug the power cord. In step three, you want to remove all of the filament one by one. You definitely don't want the spools to unwind, so you push the end of the filament through one hole and then back in through the other, and it keeps it nice and tight. And some of them might be wound up in there, so you just have to push the little tab, pull them out. Step four, disconnect the plug from the back of the AMS. There's a small tab you push down on and the plug will come right out. Step five, you want to use a 2mm Allen wrench to remove the two screws that hold the insert in. Step six, you're going to remove the filament tube from the back of the AMS now. You're going to want to use two hands, one hand on the inside, and use two fingers to press down on the tab. You'll feel it click, and the other hand on the outside that pulls the tube out. Step seven, you're going to remove the entire insert from inside the AMS container. You want to pull it up from the back first. Step eight, once that comes out, you want to locate the two electrical plugs. Just pull up on each of them. They come out really easy. Step nine, now you want to isolate which filament bay had the issue. The tubes are clear, so you'll see where the broken piece is. Press down on the release tab and pull out the tube. Now you're going to want some scrap filament. Then feed the filament through the hole in the same direction it would while printing. This will force the broken piece out the other end. And there's the culprit. I just realized why my filament broke so easy. I was using the carbon fiber filament and it's super brittle. Well, I won't be using that filament again, but it is time to celebrate. You're finished. Now you just have to repeat all of the steps backwards. And once everything's replaced and reconnected, you should see the blue lights on all your filament bays. And lastly, now you'll see a smiling icon on the bottom right, which is always a good sign, and it means our work is done. Well, hopefully this video helped you unstick the filament out of your AMS. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Check out the rest of my videos. And thanks again. See you on the next one.